This is Litre Total Parts Pro today with 2015 Suzuki APV stock number 7167. It's run from the 6th 2005 to the 1st 2018. Has a G16 AD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, big power 5-speed manual transmission. Left front 14-inch steel wheel tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents. This is a G16 AD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left rear 14-inch steel wheel tyre, left hand tail light, right tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel wheel tyre, right front door 1 dent and small rust spot, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 14-inch steel wheel tyre, right front headlight has sun cracks, needs polish. Manual gear shifter, AC control, aftermarket single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, back there 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.